Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to get the Forester going and go for a drive. Stay tuned. If you like what you see, guys, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Help us get to 1,000 so I can give back to you guys. A little too empty. There needs to be a car here. Alrighty guys, gonna get this thing started. Gonna need some backup though. As he's been busy, she has been digging. Gonna have to get more of these. Line up the whole thing. Alright. Ready guys. Battery's been sitting overnight, disconnected. We are at 2.2. Connect it. Let's see if I can start it. That's close. So it's charging at 14.6. Seems okay to me. So let it run for a little while. Yeah. Gonna do some work to this fuzz. Just really need to get it in here. Alrighty. She's been running for about 15 minutes. We're gonna go have some lunch. I'll come back out and see if she starts. She does. Take for a little drive. Hey! Alright guys, let's see if it starts by itself. Please start. Hey, nothing. What is going on? It's doing my head in. It's down at 10.3, isn't it, Azzy? I've just disconnected it. Shows that the battery's okay. Yeah, it's coming back up 10.44. Draining it. I did take the second boost gauge out. Oh, I hate wiring gremlins. Alrighty guys. What do you think is draining the battery? It's doing my head in. I'm gonna go for a drive in the Skyline. Give it a quick wash. Being a weekday, should be able to do that now. Come coming out? Come on. So guys, just came out to the garage and bike's gone. All the stuff's gone. So now we can actually set this place up how I want, because this just isn't working. Got a couple of shelves inside. I'll probably put along here and along here. And let's see if this is a part of it. If not, might move the fridge over here. But there's no power over here anyways. That's cool. Might have to leave that there. But yeah, I'll go grab the shelves and I'll put them up. And yep, they're just a couple of IKEA shelves that we're not putting up in the house that we had from the other place, so Azzy will help put them up. Let me get my marker. Woohoo! The brackets must be a little bent because that's not level, but I'm not going to put too much weight on that. Probably just cleaning stuff. Alrighty, so I got that one up. Move over to here. Get the white one, that little white one up there. I might move that to there. Then I'll have my metal table here. What do you reckon, boys? A couple of turbos on this one. Alright, so we got cleaning stuff up there. Move that plank and get that over there. Hopefully this isn't supporting anything. Yeah, bring that one over. roll it. Heaps better. This edge here might get a little bit wet, but at least we won't catch it on fire up here. So yeah, sweet. If you've been watching for a little while, you know that's the tub. It's got my fiberglass in it. Currently, it doesn't really have much in there. It's actually got more paint and bodywork stuff, cleaning stuff. Come over here. Clay bars, brushes. Yeah, sandpaper. Scales. But awesome for vents. Maguire's product from many years ago. Yeah. Actually get a car in here now, so pretty happy. I'll probably move that back over. Another spot for these. Perfect. Ryobi stuff. Be good if there was a PowerPoint over there, but that's okay. As getting in the way. You put that in the bin for me. There's a wing nut. There it is. Got the horses in the Forester. I'll go get them. Woot woot. Alrighty, I might make this shelf here, on the top and the bottom one there, a little parts shelf. So, what needs to go in to cars. Ooh. These are just all the gasket kits that I've had, leftovers, don't use them all. All my stickers I use for build. Look at that. Actually, got two still. Put that on the next car I build. Yeah boy, so slowly getting this together. Still having issues with the battery in the Forester, so should I bring it in? Reverse it in. I think I asked you earlier in the video, what do you guys think it is? I think I did. Well, I'll wait until get some replies. I'll bring it in and do whatever you guys think it is. It might just need a new battery. Cleaned up around here, guys. I don't know if you saw. I just thought fiberglass fenders over here, the wide ones. Some more stuff over there. Cleaned up here, all the tools under here stacked up. Like rib nuts and air ratchets and whatnot. This was the most satisfying. Putting that socket set up. The other place that was hanging up that way and they just all slide down. But having them like that is nice. Need to get a light for under here. Just using the Ryobi at the moment. I could hang that up. Anyways guys, that's it for this episode. Say bye Azzy. Bye. And I'll catch you next episode. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a thumbs up if you like this episode. Bye.